Did you know that you can make a Surface Hub truly mobile by placing it on a battery-powered mount? You can actually make this possible with the Steelcase Roam stand and the APC battery pack. So let's have a look at how we actually install the APC battery pack. So what's great about this installation is that it's very simple and very straightforward. We'll need a few tools to get started. It's handy to have a screwdriver and a set of Allen keys, but you can also use a set that is provided to you. First, we'll unbox the battery pack. If you have your Surface Hub already set up with the Steelcase Roam stand, you will need to remove the screws to access the compartment to install the battery pack. We'll then place the battery pack into the cradle. This can only be put in one way, so you won't have to worry about placing this incorrectly. We'll then secure it down using these 4 screws. This will make sure the battery pack will not move when the stand is in motion. There are 4 cables that we need to connect. First, we'll connect the AC cable from the wall. The AC battery will then use this input to charge the battery and pass through the AC power to the Surface Hub whenever it's connected to the wall. So next, we'll plug the AC output from the battery pack into the Surface Hub AC input. This is the input that you will normally use to power the Surface Hub. Then we'll also plug in an extra cable from the DC output of the battery pack into the Surface Hub. This is the port alongside the AC input on the hub. And lastly, we'll plug in the USB cable from the battery to the hub. This passes through the battery charge level that will then show up on the Surface Hub's home screen. We usually expect the Surface Hub to run between 2 to 3 hours using this battery pack. To keep the cables tidy, use the clips that are found at the back of the stand. Now place that cradle cover back on top of the battery pack and secure it down by replacing the screws that are under the cradle. When on the move, the power cord can be wrapped around the gap that is inside the cradle. And that's it, you're good to go. Now you can take a Surface Hub team meetings from room to room. To learn more about Surface Hub, make sure to hit like, subscribe and the notification bell. And contact the Surface Hub experts at ASI Solutions using the links below.